What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in today, and if you're new, my name is Aaron. Today we're headed up to the Dodge store. We're going to go ahead and take a look at a 2020 Dodge Durango RT model. We're also going to go ahead and do a quick walk around of the exterior and the interior, start up and do some revs. So let's go ahead and get this video started. So we're taking a look at a 2020 Dodge Durango RT model. This one's going to go ahead and have the exterior color of Destroyer Gray with a black interior. Also, if we look underneath the hood, you're going to see that this comes with a 5.7 liter V8 motor. Comes standard with 360 horsepower and 390 pounds-feet of torque. Also comes with a max towing capacity of 7,200 pounds. You're also going to go ahead and get your 20-inch wheels with the gloss black finish and Bridgestone tires. The RT model, you're going to get standard your 8.4-inch screen. Also, you're going to get your leather interior with heated front seats and heated back seats. Below your display, you're going to go ahead and have your audio and climate controls. Down underneath on the very bottom, you can activate your parking sensors. You can also activate the eco mode and sport mode. This is where you're going to have your heated seat controls for the rear seats, 2 lightning ports, and 150 watt outlet. This is going to be a 3-row vehicle, so you're going to have your 2 driver and passenger seats, 2 captain seats, and 2 rear passenger seats in the very back. So that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you also want to keep tuned to more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe down below. And until the next one, I'll see y'all later.